Are you tired of dealing with a leaky roof? Is your current roof in need of repair or replacement?
Look no further than Hallman Roofing, your trusted experts in metal roofing installation in Wilmington, North Carolina.
We're here to provide top-quality roofing services that will protect your home for years. Our metal roofing systems are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. From heavy rains to strong winds and even hailstorms, our roofs provide the ultimate protection for your home. With proper installation by our skilled professionals, you can have peace of mind knowing that your roof will last, with minimal maintenance required. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to choose from, it can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you prefer a traditional look or a more contemporary design, we have the perfect roofing solution to match your style. We understand that every home is unique. That's why we provide personalized solutions tailored to your needs and preferences. Our experts will work closely with you to design and install a roofing system that meets your requirements and complements your home's architecture. Don't settle for an average roof when you can have the best. Contact Hallman Roofing at 910-228-7641. You can also check our website at www.hallmanroofing.com/metal-roofing, where you can see real examples of our exceptional work.
Choose Hallman Roofing, where excellence in metal roofing is our promise to you.